Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa Period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, I am back with yet another wig install, y'all. Like I keep telling y'all, the wig installs are dwindling down, but nevertheless, thank you so much to Cranberry Hair for sponsoring today's video. It's greatly appreciated. This 36 hair for 150% density or 180% density, it is super thick, you guys. Like, it is so full and thick and nice, and I absolutely love it. I am 5'4", you guys, and when the hair is stretched, it's way past my butt, but when it's not stretched, it's just laying right in the middle of my butt, you guys. The shipping on this hair was super duper fast. I absolutely love working with these closures. I think I'm gonna start wearing closures more because they're super easy to install and way better in my opinion, because as soon as I'm not filming this video, I'm gonna snatch this wig right the fuck off, y'all. So if y'all want to see how I install this bomb ass closure wig, then keep on watching. Okay y'all, so this is the final product of the hair, you guys. This hair is long and full as hell. I freaking loved working with it. It is so soft, like I can just rub my hands straight through it, no problem. The shedding on this hair, I couldn't really see on that just because I just installed the hair today. I did pluck a little bit, and the hair from the plucking, that's what came out. I've been running my hands through it and I get like a strand here or there, but that's normal with curly hair, y'all. I really did enjoy working with this wig, you guys. Make sure to check the description box down below to get all the wigs detail and info and everything like that, you guys. Make sure you go and shop with Cranberry Hair, and also y'all make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye y'all.